Hi, I'm Cody with Step 1 Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram at Crestview. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the hands-free parking assist on the Grand Wagoneer. Alright, so to begin with using the hands-free parking assist, first thing you want to do is you want to shift the vehicle into drive and hit the parking assist button down here. And then you're going to select, I'm going to be doing perpendicular parking, and you're going to shift the vehicle to drive. You're going to go forward and put your left turn signal on whatever direction you're parking. You're going to wait for it to detect, and it's going to give you instructions on the screen. So it detected the parking spot. First thing it does is tells you to stop, shift to reverse, and take your hands off the wheel. Slowly start moving back, lightly letting off of the brake. Okay, move backwards. Then it says stop. It's going to have you shift to drive. You're going to wait for the steering to be completed, and you're going to begin moving forward. It told me to stop again, shift to reverse. It's going to wait for steering to complete, and it's going to say move backwards. And it's complete now. It's going to have you put it in park, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about any of the features on the Grand Wagoneer, ask for Cody at Step 1 Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram at Crestview.